Hello to all our dear and valued followers on the Farsi Tib channel. Today, in this comprehensive video, I want to introduce you to a variety of beneficial medicinal plants and elaborate on the remarkable effectiveness of their inherent healing properties and therapeutic benefits. Of course, I should certainly mention that in Iranian traditional medicine, there are indeed many valuable medicines and potent medicinal plants, but I will specifically refer to 5 of them. Certainly, we all know that for treating many of today's various and challenging diseases, chemical medicines are remarkably effective and profoundly beneficial, offering significant improvements in patient health and overall well-being. But we also know that most of the chemical medicines prescribed for today's common illnesses often have undesirable side effects and can be quite harmful to the human body. So, it's certainly better to take a much closer look at medicinal plants and their natural treatments. The very first medicinal plant I truly want to introduce to you is the remarkable Borage, which is incredibly practical and possesses significant medicinal and therapeutic properties. That's that though. This plant is known for its calming and anti-anxiety effects. Additionally, this remarkable plant effectively helps to treat various heart palpitations, significantly reduce overall stress levels, and gently soothe the body's entire nervous system, promoting a sense of calm and well-being. It contains essential vitamins, specifically vitamin C and vitamin E, and is abundantly rich in beneficial flavonoids and other very powerful antioxidants that actively help to strengthen the body's immune system and effectively reduce feelings of anxiety. The herbal tea made from this plant is recommended for people who suffer from various ailments and insomnia. That was Borage for you. But the second incredibly potent remedy I want to introduce to you is the remarkable black seed, which can truly be called the precious jewel of nature's most effective medicinal plants, or indeed the undisputed king of all herbal and therapeutic remedies known to humankind. It can be widely said that this extraordinary black seed is extensively used to treat and alleviate many of today's common and even chronic illnesses, offering a natural and holistic approach to well-being. The active compound in this plant, called thymoquinone, has anti-cancer, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Regulates women's hormones, prevents prostate cancer, strengthens the immune system, especially in children, treats urinary tract infections, treats bladder infections, improves ovarian cysts, improves ovarian sluggishness, treats high blood pressure, and helps with weight loss. These are some of the benefits of this herbal remedy. Of course, it is not suitable for pregnant women or for people with certain conditions, such as those with blood clotting disorders or low blood pressure. But the third herb I want to introduce to you is an aromatic, fragrant plant with excellent medicinal properties. Thyme is a herb with a warm nature, and for this reason, it has antiviral and antifungal properties. It is an expectorant and anti-inflammatory and is effective for people with a cold digestive system or those who suffer from stomach bloating. Treating asthma, bronchitis, and sinusitis are among the benefits of this aromatic herb. It is extremely effective for preventing colds and respiratory infections. Drinking thyme tea can be a good alternative to modern beverages like Nescafe, tea, or coffee. If you frequently suffer from persistent issues such as severe, debilitating stress and chronic anxiety, or regularly experience frequent disruptive insomnia, this remarkable herb offers a natural and effective remedy for these challenging conditions. The most significant and profound benefits of this particular herb are its calming and balancing effects on the central nervous system. Nowadays, with our fast-paced, machine-driven lives and the fatigue caused by daily activities, drinking this herbal tea brings you a special sense of calm. People who are looking to lose weight are advised to consume this herb, and because of its antioxidant properties, it is also recommended for alleviating fatty liver and both type 1 and type 2 diabetes. But the most important medicinal property of this plant is that it can be prescribed for women who experience problems and pain during menstruation, as it is extremely effective in strengthening their immune system and treating female infections. The name of this plant is chamomile, used for women's health and well-being, and its most important benefits are for women. It significantly enhances overall uterine health and supports successful pregnancy outcomes in women. This is primarily because the plant naturally contains the vital sex hormone, estrogen, which plays a crucial role in these important processes. With the significant help of this remarkable plant, it is indeed possible to effectively aid in the complex process of uterine adhesion. And furthermore, due to its potent antioxidant properties, this beneficial plant can be highly recommended as a valuable dietary supplement to significantly increase lactation in women. And since consuming this particular plant, which is known for its beneficial properties, significantly increases testosterone levels and also sperm count in men, it is indeed an excellent and highly effective aid for boosting sexual desire and overall vitality in both women and men, providing a natural enhancement. The name of this effective plant is fenugreek. Dear esteemed friends and loyal followers, you have now become thoroughly familiar with the remarkable properties of 5 incredibly beneficial medicinal and therapeutic plants, widely utilized in traditional medicine. These include the soothing borage, the potent black seed, the aromatic thyme, the calming chamomile, and the nourishing fenugreek, each offering unique and valuable health advantages. Dear friends, in this upcoming video, I genuinely want to introduce you to the truly remarkable medicinal and therapeutic miracle of the incredible black seed. So, please let me know in the comments below whether you wholeheartedly agree that I should extensively talk about the remarkable and truly miraculous medicinal properties of this incredible plant in the very next video. Please write your clear answer as a simple yes or a definite no in the comments section. Stay wonderfully happy and incredibly healthy, everyone.